the battle for the 543 Lok Sabha seats is heating up. Prime Minister Modi has just addressed an election rally in Jharkhand, which has a total of 14 out of the 543 seats that shall be going to polls from the fourth phase onwards. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi has taken yet another dig at the Congress party. He has hailed the voters of Jharkhand for removing the corrupt Congress government, as he puts it, in 2014. He has then stated that during the Congress regime, there used to be bomb blasts, terrorists used to fire bullets, and the government used to send them dossiers or love letters. However, in the new India, the government enters the territory of the enemies and attacks them over there. He then stated that earlier during terror attacks, a weak Congress government used to cry all over the world, but now Pakistan is crying instead of India. He then alleged that the leaders in Pakistan are praying that Congress's Shehzada, as he calls Rahul Gandhi, becomes the Prime Minister, but a strong India wants a strong government. My colleague Anand Singh joins us on the broadcast. Anand, over to you. PM Modi has taken a fresh dig at the Congress.
Yeah, Prime Minister today, while addressing a public meeting in Jharkhand's Palamu, has hit out at the opposition, saying that how the JMM and Congress, they all are corrupt, and how they are only worried how to make money and amass wealth for themselves and their family members. However, he has taken birth. PM Modi referred to himself that saying that he has taken birth and he is on a mission and he is not here to enjoy the leisure time. So these were the things that he mentioned. And he also mentioned that how a strong government at the center is now giving a befitting reply, whether it's to terrorists. And he also referred indirectly about the Balakot airstrike that carried out in 2019, mentioning that how India now is going on the foreign soil and taking out the terrorist activities. So these were the things that the Prime Minister mentioned in his public meeting. He also mentioned that how India's image has improved globally, and it was earlier used to be after the terrorist attack or even the bomb blast cases, India used to prepare dossiers and send to the relevant countries. Whereas now, under his government, India is not crying at the international level, and it is the Pakistan which he on number of occasions has dubbed as one of the terrorist activities, providing terrorist activities in the country. So he has hit out and mentioned that now Pakistan is going on the international platform and they are crying and weeping. And we would like to also remind our viewers that his remarks came just 2 days after how Priyanka Gandhi has mentioned that her family had sacrificed Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi, and they have not amassed the wealth. So the Prime Minister has taken a direct jibe at the Congress today and other opposition parties, saying that their only focus is on to gain wealth for their families. Whereas Priyanka Gandhi that day, while addressing the public meetings, she has mentioned that how Rajiv Gandhi never amassed wealth and how even Indira Gandhi has donated her gold ornaments and all the gold things to the country during the 1962 war. So these were the things that Priyanka Gandhi had earlier mentioned in a public meeting, and Prime Minister today gave a befitting reply to the Congress. Back to you, Priya.
Indeed. Let's in fact listen in to the Prime Minister's statement.
याद करिए कांग्रेस के समय क्या हाल था। यहां बम फूटते थे, आतंकवादी गोलियां चलाते थे, निर्दोषों को मौत के घाट उतारते थे, और दिल्ली की सरकार पाकिस्तान को लव लेटर भेजती थी। लव लेटर, अमन की आस लगाती थी, अमन की आस। पाकिस्तान जितने लेटर जाता थे उससे ज्यादा आतंकी भेजता था, और बम गोले लेकर वो देश में खून की होली खेलते थे। और जब आपने एक वोट दिया ना, उस वोट ने मुझ में इतना दम भर दिया, इतना दम भर दिया, मैंने आते ही कह दिया इनफ इज इनफ, बहुत हो चुका है, अब ये खेल नहीं चलेगा, मां भारती का अपमान नहीं सहूंगा, निर्दोषों को नहीं मारने दूंगा। आज नया भारत डोजियर नहीं भी देता, ये नया भारत है घर में घुसकर मारता है। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, एयर स्ट्राइक के तमाचे ने पाकिस्तान को हिलाकर रख दिया था। पहले एक समय ऐसा था, कोई महीना ऐसा नहीं जाता था कि जब झारखंड, बिहार के इस इलाके से देश की सेवा करते करते हमारे नौजवान सीमा पर शहीद न होते हो, कश्मीर में शहीद न होते हो और तिरंगे में लिपेट करके उनकी शरीर वापस न आते हो। ये हर महीने चलता था। आज वो सब बंद हो चुका है। ये आपके वोट ने किया है। एक वो स्थिति थी जब आतंकी हमले के बाद कांग्रेस की डरपोक सरकार दुनिया भर में जा जाकर रोती थी। ये स्थिति कि पाकिस्तान, वो वक्त चला गया जब हम दुनिया में जाकर के रोते रहे। आज स्थिति ये है, पाकिस्तान दुनिया भर में जा जाकर के रो रहा है। बचाओ बचाओ चिल्ला रहा है। आज पाकिस्तान के नेता कांग्रेस के शहजादे को पीएम बनाने के लिए दुआ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मजबूत भारत तो अब मजबूत सरकार ही चाहता है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.